Zone. We'll be talking about replication server. This is more an introductory than an advanced rep server class. So some of you who participate in the monthly rep server special interest group may find this a little on the basic side, but hopefully it's interesting to you, particularly as we start talking about the things that are new in 15, and we can certainly the discussion toward the end as lively as have an interest in. Top, rep server itself is a separate product from ASE, and the idea behind rep server is to take information from one server and move it to another. That's the whole idea. Now back in the day, almost anything. Today it tends to be SE, SQL, Oracle, DB2, and they're pretty much the ones that we play in. As a result, rep server does have a capability of moving data into and out of those environments as well. Now, when it was originally created by Sybase for ASE. Of course, it was SQL Server at the time. Rep server has been around for a very long time, but it's an ASE-based product. So some things that we can do with ASE that we can't do with other products. For example, using it as a warm standby rules critical to ASE on here. But in general, it's independent of a source or target DBMS. So you can replicate from Oracle to DB2, from Sybase to SQL Server, from Oracle to D2. You know, whatever works for you, whatever you need, we're able to pick that up. So it's here no bias to a particular RDMS, and in fact, I do know of a lot of Oracle shops that use this as their replication method. However, it is principally was originally intended and gets you additional benefits as an ASE product. What rep server does is, it says here, maintains the reliability of a distributed enterprise environment. Translate that to English. What this means is that when you are trying to ship information from one source to another, there are some things that you have to pay attention to. Does it need to be transactional? What happens if data is missing? How live does that data need to be? What kind of latency can we have from source to target? And rep server allows you to identify and tune those types of things. So maintains the reliability because we can treat the server as a transactional replication. Let me say a slightly different way. If you have something on site A, you want it to be on site B, rep server makes sure it gets there. So this is very useful for implementing a lot of different types of things, multi-site applications, disaster recovery, and I would say that more use this for disaster recovery probably than anything else. It's great for warm standby, which we'll talk about again in a little bit. Another very common use for rep server is to do some real-time data reporting. Rep server can be used to copy data from a transactional server to a reporting server. Keep in mind that we don't have to do a one-for-one replication. We can for example, just report on current things, or we can push information in slightly different tables on the target depending on how complicated we want to get, or possibly can replicate into cubes and snowflakes and such. We ensure the data delivery across the different targets, which is to say, if I want to ensure delivery from ASE to or Oracle or both, I can get there from here, which does help for your real-time business needs.